Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Cyrilia Dao, and I'm 25 years old. I am married. I have two daughters. The one is 7 years old, and the one is 2 years old. I have experience in local helper in Philippines from 2014 to 2017. They are four-member family. The one is adult, the one is elder, and the two is child. My main job there is laundry, cooking, cleaning, child care, and taking care of elder and take care of pets of dogs and some of gardening. I have one experience in Manila here, Manila, Philippines. 3 years, 3 years experience from 2021 to 2024, and they are four-member family. And the two is adult, the one is teenager, the one is child. My main job there is taking care of child, cleaning, laundry, cooking, and car washing, gardening. I prefer my job is um, taking care of child, taking care of elder, taking care of pets, taking care of baby. That's my main that's my main wants to take care, and I am willing shared room with other. Dear mom and sir, if you choose me, I am doing everything to meet your expectation in your house, to meet your expectation in your child, in your pets, elder. I am honest. I am understandable and kind. I am um, eager at work. I have a loving of my employer. I am willing to love my employer like my family. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Thank you and see you soonest.